Fashion crowd commerce is a great solution to find reasonably priced clothes for customers and to raise money for designers. It brings the customers to the designers directly, which means you get the best deal possible. It's a three-step process. First, the designers show off their sample clothing with a brand story and a rewards plan. Then, anyone can select his or her favorite clothing design, donate money, and leave a comment. The reason why people donate money is because of the designer's brand story and because they would be the first ones to wear something created by the designer. This is a unique way to raise funds and to get people excited and wanting to buy the designer's clothes. After ending the project, the designers will produce specific pieces chosen by the donors within 2 weeks. A really unique feature to this is that the entire process is available via social media, so we can connect people all over the world and engage them with our project. This is the crowd commerce for the customer and designer. It's the new way for your passion, crowd commerce.